You can make $100K per month by using this business idea. So this is the day one of business ideas. So let's get started. Hey, hi, I am Vaibhav. I am an AI consultant. We actually share the information about artificial intelligence and latest AI news. The today's topic is you can create a YouTube channel by using an AI. So let's get started. So you can use two tools to create a videos by using an AI. Okay. So the scenario is you don't have any time and you have to create a volume of videos for an YouTube. Okay. So you can first of all use Hagen. Okay. So let's example I'm here. I wanted to create a multiple videos on YouTube and I don't have any time, and so you can use this agent tool. It can create a videos similar of you, so your face you can look like and similar or realistic by using in this video. So that's very awesome. So the step is to you first of all we can go to this website. Okay, by using this tool you can create your videos. Okay, so for the audio I will explain you the another tool. Okay, so yeah. So this is the Hagen tool. So the step is to you can upload 5 minutes of your video on this platform. It can create a multiple videos for you. Okay, so that's very and it is very looking like a realistic. So it like lip sync or like all things that are look like similar ways. Okay, that's very awesome. Many of the creators in India they are using this tool to create a videos. So for the audio, okay, so we can collaborate these two tools to create a YouTube videos. Awesome. So for the audio, so if you want to create a audio of your similar tone, so you can use 11 labs. So we can go to the 11 labs. Okay, so click on this. Yeah, so this tool it is very beneficial to create a audio of your similar tone. So first of all, if you want to create a YouTube video, so you can first of all go to the chat gpt, write a prompt and say like I wanted to create a videos on AI, benefits of an AI, benefits of an chat gpt. That chat gpt will give you the syntax for your videos and video script. So you can upload that on this platform like 11 labs, and you can create a videos of your similar tone. That's very awesome. Around 5 to 10 minutes of your audio you can upload on this platform. It can create a similar tone of videos or audio. That's very awesome. And so you can collaborate Hagen and 11 labs to create a YouTube videos. Plus you if you want to edit that video, so you can use another tool like for the desktop you can use CapCut, and for the you mobile version so you can use VN editor. That's very beneficial for editing. So that's awesome. So you can create the YouTube videos by using these automated tools, and you can create multiple videos on the YouTube. You first thing you have to do like you are consistent or not. That's very much important to increase or grow on the YouTube. Okay, second one you can the second thing is to you have to upload volumes of your content is very much high on YouTube. So you have to post as much as possible videos on YouTube, so YouTube gets some clarity like what kind of a videos you are uploading on the YouTube. So that's very awesome. So that's so, and by using these two tools many of the creators in India or in the US they are creating humongous amount of money like $100K, $200K per month by using this. They are getting promotions. They are also getting multiple affiliate programs and multiple things they are actually doing. They are also getting leads from their business by using this strategy. So that's very awesome. So that's all. So this is the today's business idea. In the next video we can see another business idea. So if you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.